Manta kasih ke arah Trek Risau Arajar Husan Presiden Kementerian Pradesh Congress Committee Ubah Vincent H Pala la pdiang burom yo Zenith M Sangma Syaka Parti Congress hak jadalang Sekretari ke All India Congress Committee badi pej ya ke jela Meghalaya Dr. A Chela Kumar Habakren Hakilat Thai Kubor ha Congress Bhavan Sekretari ke All India Congress Committee Dr. Chela Kumar laong ba ka Congress kabo ekari hikmat bari ke parti sadin lada kidon ki bla sutu ya ke jing bakla ke jongki bar ki kwa ban sakri ya kari ki kloy ban pdiang sngobha henry kinom thit yano rukum ki wei ki parti.
See, Congress party always looks into the interest of the nation. Nation first, then the party. So, if someone realized their mistakes, if they really want to serve the people of that nation, they are most welcome. But we are not here to purchase anybody like the other political party. There is no price for any individual. By accepting the principles of the Congress party, anybody can welcome, anybody can join the Congress party.
Ubah Vincent H Pala Presiden MPCC laong ba don kam banya trilang kabanta kaba hakmat kalong banyada ya ke jing lai lut nyam long ba kabha bakim don hagabor pat hagapor ba Congress kam don hagabor dei hakum gani gapor punjot bar kasimpor ban pan bhabiang pat
CM who have joined us. He has been always with us, but today is a felicitation for him. Also our new members, we have Lionel Nongklau, who was a candidate in the MDC, and now he has joined us. Their sole intention of joining us that to fight against communal forces, we need to join together, we need to work together. Like the in charge has said, in a Congress, we always think party's interests are not top priority and our personal interests behind it. With that intention, I think many of us also are working together for the progress. Like I was to say that when the Congress is weak, our society is weak. Exactly what many speakers have said, that Congress is the only party who always defend, preserve, promote the secularism in India. Sometimes it's good to be out of power, but when Congress is out of power, the damage has done in that short time, it takes time to repair. So it's high time that the people of Meghalaya, as well as the people of India, to realize that we should come back to the Congress.
Yang parti yamanta umpat kwa makarani namarudang syurum Henry hagano no kam kaba ka parti kan bensyat ho ulaong ba untrei met bat sim.
What will be my role? I don't want to speak at this juncture because I have just rejoined. And as I have said, I am a true soldier of the party, and whatever the leadership assigned to me will be carried out heart and soul. So I don't know what kind of assignment will be given to me, and at this juncture I am not authorized to speak all the plans and programs of the party, about the strategies that will be taken up by the party. So as and when time comes, you will get to know what are the strategies that we are taking on.